Hi to everyone. I am Krishan Kumar from Asura School Rewadi, lecturer of mathematics. Students, today I am deliver lecture on a chapter 5th arithmetic progressions exercise 5.3. Let's start, student.
Yes, students, today I am discuss the basic of a exercise 5.3 that is the drive the sum of n terms of an AP of an AP. Okay, students, let's start the derivation. Sn sum of n term. Sn sum of n term, that is equal n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the formula for sum of nth term of an AP. Okay, students, let's start the proof. Let the AP be a first term, a plus d second term, a plus 2d third term, and so on, a plus n minus 2 s minus n minus 2 into d comma a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, that is the AP. So students, we find the sum of first n term. That is denoted by as n, sum of n term. So students, a plus d second term, a plus 2d third term, plus and so on, plus a plus n minus 2 into d plus a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, student, and that is the label number first. That is equation first. Okay. Now, students, we write this sum in reverse form, reverse order. Okay, let's write equation first in reverse order. We get as n sum of n term is equal, big bracket start, a plus n minus 1 into d, last term, student, big bracket close, plus again a big bracket, a plus n minus 2 into d Okay, plus, and so on. A plus D plus A, and that is the labels second. Yes, students, here let's see in the equation second. Here is a two term, first term, second term, and the two term in a last first and last second. But in a first equation, beta, in starting first term, in a sum second term, third term, and from the last first term, second term. Okay, students. And now students, next process is a add equation first and second. So students, here from a first we are drop this term because beta second have a two term in starting and the at last two also. So students, we drop this. Okay, add equation first and second, we get Sn plus Sn is equal. Beta, here is a plus इसकी फर्स्ट टर्म a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, yes, plus second term a plus d plus second term from second equation a plus n minus 2 into d plus and so on, plus second term from last first term and second term a plus n minus 2 into d plus second term from last a plus d, a plus d plus last term from first a plus n minus 1 into d plus last term of a second a. Let's see, student. Sn plus Sn, 2Sn is equal a plus a to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, student, here is a plus a to a plus beta n minus 2 and here is a d, n minus 2 into d and here is a only d. It means यहाँ पर बेटा 2d है and that is d is a positive. It means we have a n minus 1 into d, n minus 1 into d. Let's see. A plus d plus a plus nd minus 2d. So beta a plus a to a plus nd minus this d is a positive and that is a 2d is negative. It means that is a minus d to a plus from these two term d is a common, so beta d is take common and from this term n is a left and from this 1 is left. So that is the 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Plus. And so on. Plus. Same beta as it is here. A plus a 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Because beta same वही term है a plus d, that is and a plus n minus 2 into d. A plus n minus 2 into d. So we got this plus a plus a 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Bracket close. Okay. Let's see students. 2sn is equal to Sn is equal. Yes, students. 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus and so on plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d plus 2a plus n minus 1 into d. How many times these, student? How many times? These are n times, because beta here is the sum of first n terms. How many terms? N terms. So we can write it, that is n time, n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. How to see that is n into this? So let's see an example. Students, we have a 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So we can write it. What we write it? How many times it repeat? Same number, how many times repeat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we can write it is 6 into 4. 6 into 4. Same as it is beta. A plus a plus a. What we write it? 3a. 3a. So same beta. That is how many time? 2a plus n minus 1, 2a plus n minus 1, 2a plus n minus 1. So students, we write it n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. And in the next step, Sn is equal n upon 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. That is the sum of nth term of an AP. Okay, students, let's see. In next, again we write it as n is equal n upon 2 in bracket 2a. 2a is break into a plus a plus n minus 1 into d. We break here to a plus a. So student, let's see. Sn is equal n upon 2 in bracket a plus, that is the formula for nth term, a n. And in our next, Sn is equal n upon 2 in bracket a plus l. A plus l. L means student, l is equal an. It means last term. Which term? Last term. Okay, students. So that is the derivation of sum of nth term of an AP. Okay, students. Okay, students, let's start the exercise. Exercise 5.3. Question number first. So what is the question number first? Find the sum of the following APs. Students, we have a APs and say find the sum. Okay, let's see the question number first, part first. 2, 7, 12, and so on to 10 terms. How many terms? 10 terms sum find out करना है students यहाँ पे. Okay students, let's start. So A is a 2 first term. D common difference, that is the except first, pick up any of term and subtract its preceding term from it. So students, 7 minus 2, that is a 5, and n is a 10. N is a 10. So students, here we apply Sn. Sn is equal n upon 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay students, place the value of n, a and d. So यहाँ पर बेटा that is represent sum only, sum of how many terms. So here we find 10 term sum. So that is the sum of 10 term as 10. 10 upon 2 into 2a. A is a 2 plus n. N is a 10 minus 1 into d. D is a 5. Okay students, solve it. 2 5 is a 10. 2 2 is a 4 plus 9 into 5. 5 in bracket 4 plus 9 5 ja 45, and that becomes 5 into 4 plus 49, 4 plus 45, that becomes a 49, and we find the product of these two, that is a 5 9 ja 45, 5 4 carry, 5 4 ja 20 plus 4 24, 400 245. Hence sum of 10 terms of the AP is 245. Answer. I hope you are understood. Okay, same as it is beta, it's second, third and fourth part you try to solve on self. I'm start here the question number second of the exercise 5.3. Question number second is say that find the sums given below. Here is the expansion is given beta, and sum is question is say find the sum. So let's start beta. Question number first of second. 7 plus 10 plus 1 upon 2 plus 14 plus and so on plus 84. Okay students, here is the expansion is given in a addition form. So students, we have not defined here how many terms in there. A and D we pick up easily, but not decide how many terms are in there. So firstly beta, we apply the AN formula and calculate how many terms in this series. So beta, A is a 7d. D is equal, बेटा मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं. 10 2 = 20 प्लस 1, 21/2 माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म 7. ओके, 2 as a LCM, 21 minus 7 = 14 is equal 21 minus 14, that is a 7/2. D is a 7/2, and an, that is the nth term. It means that is a an is equal 84. So बेटा अपने पास an के फॉर्मूले की 3 टर्म है. a is given, d is given, an is given. So we easily apply the an formula and calculate the n from here, and after then we apply some formula Sn. A plus n minus 1 into d is equal an. So beta a is a 7 plus n is not given, minus 1 into d. D is a 7/2 is equal an. An is a 84. Okay, let's solve this. 7 प्लस, बेटा 7 को ट्रांसपोज कर लेते हैं. सो हेयर इज द n प्लस 1, 7/2 is equals 84 minus 7. n plus n minus 1 into 7/2 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लेंगे बेटा. सब्ट्रैक्ट करने पर अपने पास क्या बचेगा यहाँ पर? 84 minus 7, so that is the 77. and n minus 1 is equal 77. इसको बेटा 7/2 को ट्रांसपोज करेंगे. यहाँ पर 7/2 मल्टीप्लीकेशन में है, तो यहाँ पर किस में है? मल्टीप्लीकेशन में. उधर जाएगा डिवाइड में. डिवाइड जाने पर उसका रेसिप्रोकल मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा. रेसिप्रोकल क्या होगा बेटा? 2/7. 7 से कैंसिल आउट. 7 1 जा 7 1 जा. n minus 1 is equal 11 2 जा 22, and n is equal 23. n is equal 23. So students, n is equals 23 अपने पास आ चुका है. Then we apply बेटा sum of nth term Sn. Sn is equal n/2 2a plus n minus 1 into d or n/2 a plus l. l यानी कि a plus l यानी कि बेटा, so students, n is a 23 is equal n 23/2 a means first term. First term is a 7 plus l means last term, that is the an. So an is a beta 84. S23 is equals 23/2 into, बेटा ऐड कर लेंगे 7 plus 84, that is the 91, and we find out the product of these two number 23 and 91, and 23 and 91, that becomes a 2093/2. Sum of 23 term is 2093/2, and that is 1046.5, and that is the answer. Okay student, remain parts of the question second you solve on self, and now come on the question number third. Question number third of the exercise 5.3. Question number third have a 10 parts, and students, first of all you decide which terms of the APs we are given here. Suppose I am pick up a first question of a third is a, that is the given A. A is a 5. Okay. D is a 3. Okay. An 50. Find N and Sn. सो बेटा हमें N एंड Sn फाइंड आउट करना है यहाँ पर. ओके, देखिएगा बेटा. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम क्लियर दैट हेयर in An formula we have a 4 element A, D, N, An, and in Sn formula also a 4 terms, 4 element Sn, N, A and D, and a second part of a Sn formula, that is the n upon 2 to A plus L. Here is also a 4 terms. Beta, first is the Sn, second is the N, third is the A, and fourth is the L. So students, firstly you decide which formula 3 terms are given to us, then we apply it. कौन से फॉर्मूले की हमें 3 टर्म्स गिवन है, 3 एलिमेंट्स गिवन है, देन बेटा उसी फॉर्मूले को हमें अप्लाई कर देना है. उसके रेस्पेक्ट में हमें फोर्थ गिवन हो जाएगा, देन वी अप्लाई द अकॉर्डिंग टू अ सम. फॉर एग्जांपल हियर n and Sn is find out. ओके बेटा, सो A is given, D is given, An is given. सो बेटा Sn के फॉर्मूले के तो अपने पास A and D गिवन है, बट an के फॉर्मूले से हमारे पास a, d एंड an गिवन है. सो फर्स्टली वी अप्लाई द an फॉर्मूला एंड फ्रॉम दिस वी calculate, we find out the value of n, and after then we have a third 3 element of a Sn formula, a, d and n, then we easily find Sn. Okay beta, let's start. A plus n minus 1 into d is equal an. A is a 5 plus n not given minus 1 into d. D is a 3. D is 3 is equals an. An is a 50. Okay beta, n minus 1 into 3 is equals 5 को ट्रांसपोज करेंगे, 50 minus 5 45, and n minus 1 is equal 3. बेटा इधर मल्टीप्लीकेशन में इधर जाएगा डिवाइड में, 45 upon 3, it means that is the 15, and n is equal 15 plus 1 16. So how many terms? 16 terms. How many? 16. So बेटा n is defined here, n यहाँ पर डिफाइन हो चुका है. Then now we find बेटा Sn यानी कि S16 n upon 2. Which formula we apply here? So beta, out of these two, one is this, second is this, we decide which terms are given of which formula, this or this. So here beta, n is given, a is given, l is given. L means last term. Last term yani ki an. An is our last term. So beta, we apply here a plus l. S16 is equal 16 upon 2 into a is a 5 plus l is a last term, it means an is a 50. 16 upon 2 into 55, and that is the 8 into 55. 8 into 55, that is the sum of 16 terms. So that is the 8 5 ja 40, 8 5 ja 40 plus 4, 44. That is the answer. Understood, students? I hope you all are understood. And same as it is, beta, you proceed all sum of this exercise up to the third. Okay, beta? Stay at your home and stay safe. Okay, bye, student.